sun, rays are powerful. Listen here. Rays are powerful. Sun simply creates. Sun, because of sun, rays come. They are powerful. But rays are not powerful than sun.
Okay, sir. But if Maya wants to create another consciousness,
Maya never wants to create. Maya is inefficient and this powerless. It only comes and goes. It is something like that. A magician creates some magic, The magic doesn't have power. Is a magician that have the power. Magic doesn't have power.
if Maya doesn't have power, means how it can make us fools?
Huh?
Then why do we, if Maya is unpowerful means, if it is had no power means, then everyone is in consciousness, right, sir?
Yeah. Everyone is conscious
Then-
only is there. There is
then-
no everyone.
then
Everything
we-
is
Then we don't need to find consciousness, right, sir?
finding consciousness. Okay, very good. Who is finding consciousness?
We are.
Who are you? Consciousness. Why do you find consciousness? When you are conscious, why is the question of finding out consciousness? You are consciousness. I am telling you, you are consciousness, which is eternal. Where is the question of finding consciousness?
Is it real consciousness? What is the guarantee for
Real consciousness. Consciousness, real consciousness, real. This one, what's your name?
Yashwant, sir.
Huh?
Yashwant.
You tell me Yashwant and real Yashwant. You tell me Yashwant and real Yashwant.
Actually, there is a theory, sir.
Very good, very good.
Butterfly paradox. When we dreaming, we can think that we are butterflies and flying in the sky.
Huh?
When we sleeping, we can dream that we are the butterflies and flying in the sky.
Okay, very good.
What if we are not the actual humans? We are the butterflies who are thinking as we are humans.
Yeah.
It is a theory, sir. What is real in this theory? Is butterflies are thinking as humans?
It is a dream or what you are telling?
No, sir. No one knows that the truth is.
Uh,
What is the truth is no one knows. What is the actual conscience is no one knows.
yeah, I just stop here. I'll come to that. Conscious doesn't try to know. Okay? Why? I'm telling you, conscious is in the form of space. Okay? You imagine consciousness, but if you don't understand so much, you think space is consciousness. Okay? Now, for the present, think space is conscious. I'm telling you, here the space is lot of God, more consciousness than here. More conscious space, because it accommodates everything. Even gods also, Rama and Ravana, they kill each other in this space. This space is more there. So therefore, this space is consciousness. Okay. What is your question now?
What is actual consciousness?
It's the space. Space doesn't create, doesn't do that.
If it's space is consciousness, then where is the Maya comes from?
Maya, that comes and goes, is appearance, that's all.
If all the space is consciousness, then where is the Maya, sir?
If all the space is, Maya is not there.
Then why do we speak about Maya?
It appears and comes goes. It appears and, okay, I'll tell you one example. Do you see the film?
Which film, sir?
Film, any film.
Okay.
They come and go, no, in that film.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Are they real?
No.
Then? Are they real?
No, sir.
Then they are Maya. Very film you are seeing as if real.
Yes, sir.
You weep sometimes. Sometimes when in Bangalore, I'm telling you, because I could have given lot of funny stories, but because there is no time. See, one person came and sat in Tamil film. Always some person means he used to beat me like that, like that. He used to beat me every time. Okay. So that means he feels as if it's real, but it's a film. It's not real, but he feels as real. It is his mistake. So if you feel that it's your mistake, don't feel like that.
You said that we see film and it comes and goes, right?
Yes.
But we are creating films, right, sir?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
And then consciousness is making Maya?
I am telling you very clearly, consciousness imagine like a space. Can space create object? No, it doesn't create. Within that, these objects appear. Similarly, sun doesn't create objects. Without sun, there are no objects. Carefully, trees and all that. Without sun, there are no trees and every objects. But sun doesn't create objects. But they appear and come and go. It won't create. So consciousness will not create. It appears and as if it comes and goes. That's all.
Thank you, sir.
No, are you clear at what?
Hello. So because of time constraint, we are winding up. And sir, you find out how many Vivekananda and Ramakrishna Paramahamsa are in our university.
Yeah, very
Their
good. Very good.
future,
Very good. Very
future Vivekananda and Ramakrishna Paramahamsa
Yeah.
are going to come from our university in future. So because of time constraint, I'm just interrupting all the students.
Okay.
But 3 more members are also having some doubts
Okay,
regarding
okay.
this, sir. They will meet you after this meeting,
Okay.
sir. So 3 more members, whoever just spoke to me, that they wanted, they have some doubts. Okay, you can meet, sir will be available here only, because we have some packed programs in this hall. That's why we need to wind up this program. So on overall, I want to conclude, so as per Ramakrishna Garu, we have to see God in everybody.
Yes.
And the mind that matters. So if your mind, if you hesitate continuously, that will lead to some sort of confusions, and finally
nice.
you will do sin. So
Hesitate,
it's
yes,
nothing.
yes,
So you have to, you need not compare with any other person.
No.
So you have to behave like a person, how God behaves. So that you have to see God in everyone.
Everyone. Everyone.
So that's why, sir, a very good message, sir. This is really totally different type of thinking. So
Yes.
that many thinkings are, things are coming from our students. Thank you, dear students and faculty members, for your gracious presence here and listening to what is really totally a special meeting today. So anybody want to conclude, sir, from faculty members or sir? Anybody want to conclude? Otherwise, we can wind up.
Any kind of doubt you can come. I am confident enough to clear. Till you go on clearing, I am
Conclude,
ready.
yes. So I think this is this is an endless meeting.
Yes, yes.
So for anything, there is some end for that. So let us have this type of sessions. So finally, to avoid the hesitation in your mind, you have to do yoga and some physical fitness activities so that your body will be under your control. Okay, so sir said some other examples. So everything is possible, and you know that we already incorporated those kinds of physical fitness and yoga in our regular curriculum to see you an all-round student, not only academic part, all self-control you can achieve only through this physical fitness as well as yoga activities. So participate in that, be a whole person. Okay,
Yeah,
thank
that's
you,
very
sir.
important.
And
Whole person, yes.
yes, sir. So now I request the senior faculty members to come onto the dais and felicitate Ramakrishna Garu. Thank you.
Thank you.